Hey guys, welcome back to Lidhu's nail art design. If you're new here, hi bestie, me myself Lidhu. If you think nail arts are difficult, today I will prove you're completely wrong. So my first design is black cat nail art. First of all, we have to draw the basic shape of the cat. This nail art may look hard but easy to do. Draw the tail as wavy as possible. Let's move on to the detailing part. I will be using white nail polish for doing this. If you guys have any doubts, don't forget to ask. If you like this design, don't forget to say in the comments. Next is easiest glitter nail design ever, and you literally need only two things, a base coat and a color and a glitter polish. Draw a line diagonally. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Nails look more expensive than they actually are. Lightly dab glitter nail polish near the line. Drag a tiny bit of glitter downward so it creates a sparkly gradient effect. This design was my favorite ever. Let's do a cherry blossom nail art. First of all, start by drawing a soft curved line. This will be the stump or vine. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Nature isn't either. You guys can add according to your wish. You can completely customize this nail art. Add small flowers along the stem, just tiny stalk pointing. Keep the pressure light so that they look soft and natural. Each nail can have its own little pattern. Don't try to make them ideal. Place some small dots for giving that cherry blossom effect. Don't forget to seal your nail art with a top coat. Not only adds shine to our design but also protects it. Let's draw the face of our favorite Pikachu. Comment below if you watch Pokemon, then say Pika Pika. I have added the detailing of this design. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Next nail art is the most classic and elegant nail art, French nail art design. If you guys want to watch the detailed video of this nail art that are given in my channel, these are the recap of my previous designs. Comment short if you like short nail art design. I will be drawing two small stars in this nail art. Short nails can look super elegant when they are neat and well prepared. Comment below which design was your favorite.
3, 2, 1.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tell me, would you try this nail art? Next nail art is my most favorite nail art ever. I am creating Minnie Mouse nail art design. First of all, we have to draw a big round circle, then two small circles as the ears of the Minnie Mouse. Draw a cute and beautiful ribbon. Beginner level, but it looks aesthetic. My final nail design. I hope you like this design. See you all in my next videos. Till then, tata, bye bye.